Look what I just got. A brand new Hiboy EX6 electric bike with all the bells and whistles. And what we're going to do is take it down the boardwalk right down there and show you what the boardwalk looks like, but how the functionality works on this bike and some of the specifications. And if we're lucky, if the rain will go away, we will circle back on the beach. Let's check it out. I got to put it together first and then we'll go. Now that we've got it assembled and we're back here on the boardwalk, the rain has let up a little bit, and I'm going to show you some of the features. We're going to take the bike all the way down the boardwalk, and since it's got the big old knobby tires on it, we're going to come back on the ocean and show you how it operates. And now some technical specifications. You can find all of this on the Hiboy website, hiboy.com. The link will be down in the description. It has a 500 watt 48 volt removable battery, which takes about 6 to 8 hours to charge, and that's if it's completely dead. They have several positions for the key switch. There's on, off, and release. The release allows you to remove the battery and charge it separately from the bike. It has a convenient kickstand, and it has a nice rear rack that I'll strap my bag on shortly. Nice wide pedals with grips so you won't slip. Another outstanding feature is the front shocks. So if you turn the key to the on position, you press down this left button and your display screen activates. So it will show you the speed, the pedal assist, which gives you the 5 different pedal assist modes to choose from, and your distance traveled. It also shows you the remaining battery life. It has a 7-speed gear shift system. It can be changed slowly, one at a time, or quickly changed using the button. 20 by 4-inch wide tires, which are good for snow, gravel, and of course the beach. And with a full battery, you can get up to 40 or more miles depending on your speed using the throttle only. And a few channels stated that you could go as far as 70 miles if you keep the throttle low as possible and use the pedal assist. But I'm sure that would depend on your weight and a flat surface and other factors. And speaking of weight, the weight limit is 300 pounds as opposed to other electric bikes that top out at around 220 or so. Okay, if you're interested in this bike, check out the link below in the video's description. So now, it also has a loud horn. You hear how loud that is? And for nighttime, you might not can see it here, but it's very bright. It's pretty bright. So you ready? All right, to let you guys know, I have it currently on one pedal assist as we come through here. And what the pedal assist actually does is allows you not to have to use the throttle. Let's see if I can get around. All right. And so what that means is I can pedal, and if I put it on the higher pedal assist, it will actually throttle for me, and I don't have to use the actual throttle. So right now this is on 1. I'm going to go up to 2. That's at 2. See how it kicks in? I don't know if you can actually tell, but it's actually kicking in, and I'm not using the throttle. I'm just pedaling. And it actually uses a lot of power. So I am going to, here, I'm going to actually use the throttle. Let's see how fast we can get it. So we're up to 15, 17. I had to slow down. There's a lot of people coming. So I could get it up to 17. They said this will actually go about 25 miles an hour. And like I said, because we have the knobby tires, I'm going to get on the beach and see how fast it actually goes on the sand. So here we are at 8th Avenue on the boardwalk. All right, this is the power it has. You ready? I'm going to go up to the pedal assist 5. Here is the power. Make sure it don't get you. That thing can rock and roll. There we go. Oh yeah. Look at the beautiful ocean. Let's see how this thing operates on the beach. There we go. Nice. It seems like it's holding up pretty good. Might have to get out of the thick sand. It was sliding a little bit. We'll get over here on the nice sand. Look at the waves coming up here. So right now, I'm at 11. See if I can go around some people and get some speed up here. 15. Nice and smooth. There we go. Looking pretty sharp. I know we got it up to 21 miles an hour. It's about as fast as I can go right here. Let's get all the way down to 14th Avenue Pier. See what she's got going on here. All right. Pretty nice. Nice, smooth ride. So it looks like 21 miles an hour is the highest I can get it on the sand here, which is pretty good considering it beats pedaling. I don't know if we can get through the pier, but we'll try. Look at that. Huh. See if I can get back up